coming, baby. You can see it. The birds know it.
¿Cuánto hay ahí? Un montón, ¿verdad? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
That's birds from the beach, man. All the way over here, man. It's like 20, 25 minutes. And you can see now. Sorry guys about that. Everything just it's getting crazy. Oh, I gotta move. Oh my goodness, guys, this is crazy. This is the time that the eye of the storm is closest to where I live. So this is why it's getting crazy. Alright guys, I'm back again. You can't see me, but I'm Chris, by the way. For those people, this is where I live. This is not Ricky's house. You know, so. But the tree has fallen. Olympus has fallen.
That está cayendo.
So yeah guys, you see I'm dirty. I got hit by a tree in the not so good area, as you can see. And also here my shoes are super dirty and I cleaned them. Watch out, someone is coming. Watch out, someone's coming.
Watch out, watch out,
Watch out, watch out.
Let's see if he can get out of there. That's my cousin, by the way. I got RPS Water recording.
What's up, peoples?
Yeah, this is what I was doing the whole freaking afternoon. Me, the guy that you just saw in the car, which is Greg, my cousin, my dad, and Tio Eric, my uncle Eric. We were cutting these trees because they were hitting the lines. You know, my internet cable and the electricity cables, it was hitting them. So we cut them down, so you can see, right there, that tree, we cut it down. And let's see if I can get over here. This, it was straight, but the tree fell back. And I took it down, so we had to adjust it. And that's the best we can do, man. I'm sorry, I don't know how to do this. I didn't study this in university.
Engineers.
I didn't study engineering. You know, I studied for a teacher. So I don't know. So you can see all of that. Wait, can you get closer without getting dirty? Can you see that? All of that is where we were walking, and you know, trees were falling. That tree, we took it down. You see, boo-books. And then the other lines over there. I don't know how to say this. The other fence over there also went down, and that's the best we can do again. And we cut this a little bit, but it was all the way over here, and now it's not. I think that I got some videos of cutting it, but I'm not sure. You can back out. Okay, you keep going. So slowly. He's walking on dirty water. Oh, sweet Jesus. He's walking on dirt. Not dirt. What is it? Fango. ¿Cómo se dice fango en inglés?
It's like
Mud. Guys, you know, you're walking on mud, man.
Mud with wet grass.
Exactly. So, the best combination. So yeah, guys, that's what I did today. And let's see. I'm gonna show you some videos of what happened on Hurricane Irma in my neighborhood. Not the whole city, just my neighborhood. And there's some poles in the floor. There's someone cut it down, so it's dangling. And hopefully they haven't fixed it yet. Maybe they did, I don't know. Or maybe they haven't, so well, maybe wait, how do I say this? Hopefully they fix it, but not before I record it. So does that make sense? So I just want to record it and then they can fix it. You know, hold on, wait, don't fix it yet. Let me record it for my fans, man. For the nation. Woo. Stgo, bro, nation. Like I said before, we don't know when we'll be back doing video games. There's no electricity. There's nothing you can see. Light post is no on. It's not turned on.
Off.
It's off.
No electricity, no nothing.
No electricity, no water, no nothing. I'm super wet. This is can you see it? Does it show? Can you see the difference or not? I don't know. This is a how do you say that? Bright blue shirt, not dark. It's just super wet. I don't know if I can do this. Let's see. I don't know if I don't. You see? You see? This is super wet.
It pours.
You know, it was raining a lot. It was hitting my glasses. I was like, okay, how can you guys? How can you get hit with water drops in your eye when you have your glasses on? How? I was like, hey, what the heck is going on here? You know, I don't know how is that possible. Happiest world, how is that possible?
Mother Nature, it always wins.
Always wins.
It's like Father Time. It's
Yeah,
undefeated.
It's undefeated. So yeah, guys, that's what I did. Hopefully you enjoyed this. You enjoyed this video that I'm gonna show to you in the future. No, I'm kidding. In this video, hopefully you like it.
So behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes of what's happening, you know, in Humacao, Puerto Rico. Or if you want to say Puerto Rico, that's fine. It works. It's the same thing. Humacao, that's where I live. That's my city. Or if you want to say Humacao, I don't know. You know, however you want to say it. So you see, nothing's here. If you hear like a noise, it looks like war. That's a power generator, so they can have lights. We don't. Unfortunately, we don't have them. So I'm in night. I got no battery. I'm using my dad's phone. That's not my phone. My phone is dead already. Got 0 battery. I got 50% on my Nintendo Switch and 100% of the 3DS. Woo. Yeah. And by the way, this is the day after the hurricane. So yeah, guys. Talk to you later. Guys, this is some of the damage. You can see. Okay, the trees have been moved from the. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. What the heck? This is my first time going here. Oh, sweet Jesus. This is not my neighborhood, by the way. And this is not, this is a different city. But, oh my God. Alright, guys. Keep you posted. Alright, guys. This is, it's a truck right there. It's a electric company. You see all these trees were in the street. Now they're not. Let's see if you can see more. Now I guess they're removing some trees and putting them on the side, like over here. Guys, that's a post right there. You can see them. It's broken down, and this is the damage. This is my neighborhood, by the way. Okay, wait a minute. Okie dokie. Let's see if I can show you another tree falling down. So yeah, guys, you guys, I can't. Someone told me about this, and this is three days, right? No, 2 days after the hurricane, right? And this is still like this. So, whoa. Oh. So you can imagine when I'm gonna get electricity. Hooray! Oh, there's another one over here. Oh my god. The heck is this? I was just about to stop the video and then I saw another one. So that's 2. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. Yo, that's super close. 3 with that one. And wow. Alright guys. Let's see what more we can find. Oh yeah guys, that's another one. Whoa. Okay, so my lane is over here. I couldn't go there. Alright, that's pretty close. And then here we're gonna go on top of the cables, just like Thug Life. So yeah guys, I'm here in my neighborhood and I just found out this thing, and it's been 5 days since the Hurricane Irma. So let's go over here. Hey, you see the light post? It's broken in half, and I don't know if I can return. I don't know. I never gone this way before, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So let's see. Oh, the cables are pretty low. So yeah, guys. Okay, I have to turn around. I don't know where I'm going. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, this is my neighborhood. You can see. Oh, there's electricity. Oh, does that mean that I'm gonna have electricity at my home? Let's see. I gotta turn left, which I'm gonna do right now. And we gotta see a light post. Okay, that means we're gonna get electricity. Oh, everything is dark here. No. So no electricity where my home is. So part of my neighborhood has electricity. The other part, the biggest part, doesn't. Everything is dark here. So yeah, guys. Wow. Just a little small section of where I live has electricity. So yeah guys, this is our home. So you can see, I wanted to show you guys our refrigerator. You see here my juice with ice on it. And then I guess this will be the freezer. And you see here eggs, mayonnaise, milk, and everything, all that over there. And this is where I sleep, next to the door. The door is always open because I need the breeze. We don't got a power generator like Reggie. We don't have that, so we gotta sleep like that. And if you don't believe me, look, there's absolutely nothing here or in here. Everything is empty, guys. So it's been 6 days without electricity. For me, it has been 2 weeks in my mind, but supposedly we should get our power generator tomorrow. So hopefully we can sleep in air conditioning at least. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. Let me put this back. Alright guys, later. So yeah guys, that's inside of my house, right? Inside the bed, sleeping next to the door. Now I'm outside. Oh yeah, that's my dog, sorry about that. But I'm gonna show you a before and after. This is before we have electricity, obviously, because this is all dark. All the houses that you see with lights are that have a power generator. You know, like that one, and then the one behind it. But we don't. We only got a flashlight. Yeah. Look at the house. Alright guys, just wanted you guys to see it, before and after. So yeah guys, I told you guys I was gonna do the before and after, and this is the after. Now we got electricity. We got it, people. We got it. It only took 8 days. What the heck? What is that? Oh, that's thing. Woo! I got scared. I'm like, what the heck is? So yeah, I got scared a little bit, but you see, everything. We got it, man. We got it. Why is it that every time I start recording, the dogs start barking? Like, my God, man. Every time, I'm telling you, you're gonna see it than before. We got light.